Hello, dear boys. Let us continue the test of fuels. In this video, we are discussing about the pour point test of fuels. We know the pour point. If a fuel is having ability to pour inside a furnace or cylinder, is known as the pour point. The pour point test of fuel is a method used to determine the lowest temperature at which a fuel remains fluid enough to pour. So, the pour point test of the fuel is a method used to determine the lowest temperature at which a fuel remains fluid enough to pour. This test is critical for fuels, especially in colder climates. So, the pour point test is critical for the fuels, especially in colder climates, where low temperatures can cause them to thicken or solidify, leading to operational issues in engines and the fuel systems. This test is critical for fuels, especially in colder climates, where lower temperatures can cause them to thicken or solidify, leading to operational issues in the engines and fuel system. Let us come for the importance of the pour point testing. For cold weather performance, fuels like diesel can gel or thicken at low temperatures, making it hard for them to flow through the pipes or injectors. In the cold weather, fuels like diesel can gel or thicken at low temperatures, making it hard for them to flow through the pipes or the injectors. The second importance is the safety of the system. Knowing the pour point ensures that the fuel will still flow in pipelines, pumps, and injectors under the coldest expected operating conditions. So, we should be aware about the pour point, which ensures the fuel will still flow in the fuel lines, pumps, and injectors under the coldest expected operating conditions. The third importance is design and selection of fuels. The engineers and operators can select the fuels or the additives that enhance low temperature performance. The engineers and operators can select fuels or additives that enhance low temperature performance. Let us discuss about the pour point determination. First, we have to prepare the sample, then we have to keep cooling, then observation, then reporting. A sample of the fuel is poured into a test jar. A sample of the fuel is poured into a test jar. The fuel is cooled gradually, often in a specialized refrigerator or cooling bath. The fuel is cooled gradually, often in a specialized refrigerator or cooling bath. The sample is examined at regular intervals to check when it no longer flows when the container is tilted. The sample is examined at regular intervals to check when it no longer flows when the container is tilted. The temperature at which the fuel ceases to flow is recorded as the pour point. Temperature at which the fuel ceases to flow is recorded as the pour point. The application of the fuel is diesel. Pour point testing is crucial for diesel fuels because they are prone to gelling at low temperatures. Pour point testing is crucial for diesel fuel because they are prone to gelling at low temperatures. Crude oil and lubricants. These fuels also require 4-point testing to ensure reliable operation in various temperature conditions. Crude oil and lubricants are also requiring 4-point testing to ensure reliable operation in various temperature conditions. Some factors affecting 4-point are composition and additives. The fuels with higher wax content generally have higher 4 points. Certain additives like 4-point depressions can lower the 4 point, improving cold weather performances. Thanking you so much.